Hey guys, welcome welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaWanda Rose. So today I'm coming to you guys with a product review. Fenty Beauty has recently launched one of their biggest launches in the company, concealers. The moment we've always been waiting for. We've been wanting the baby to the foundation, and now we got it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you, Riri. Alright, so I have the Pro Filter foundation in the shade 380. This is my perfect shade. Right now I am a little bit lighter because of the season, but the undertone still matches like crazy. Like, I have never had foundation that matched me like this, undertone wise. The summertime and even now I feel like it still works. So it's a foundation that I can use all year round, and I don't have to go to the store, you know, in the winter time just to get a lighter shade or get a darker shade in the summer. So Fenty Beauty has launched not 1, not 20, not 40, but 50 shades. 50 shades of concealer. And they also recently launched 10 more shades of foundation. The 380 in the concealer is actually a little tad bit lighter. It's made for you to have like a natural like under eye that's a little bit brighter, but it's not too overwhelming because you can wear it by itself. So I'm gonna be basically going into my normal makeup routine, and for me, I always do kind of like a natural glam type of thing. I don't really do full-on glam. So normally I conceal my face before I put on my foundation, and then I go in to highlight with concealer. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. So again, I'm using the shade 380 in their concealer. This retails for $26. Let me read the box because I did not. It is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and it says instant photo soft coverage for all, long wear, light as air, crease proof. Oh, that's it. So let's open this up. Wow. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my dark spots, and then I will do swatches really quickly very soon. It's creamy, but I do feel like it has like a powdery, it dries like a powder because I can hear it. I don't know how. Alright, we're gonna blend this out. We're gonna blend it in. Well, that blended in like a dream. Sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, I kind of feel like I'm hitting my face. Hence the word beating your face. Like, my face is literally beat. I don't know if that's good or bad. Alright, so as you can see, my face is concealed. I have concealed it. Okay, so this is going to be the concealer shade for you guys, and I'm going to show you what the foundation looks like. It's supposed to be slightly darker, so I can say that the concealer is a little bit more yellow, a little bit more yellow than the foundation. The foundation has red, cool undertone, sorry. So I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll show you again once it gets a little bit drier, but yeah, we're gonna go in with the foundation now, and then the fun part, which is highlighting with the concealer. So typically I just use like 1.5 pumps, but for the sake of the video I'm gonna use 2. Got bright lights on me right now. Man, I don't see how people can use like 4 pumps of foundation, man. They must got some big face. How am I looking? Okay, so we got the foundation on. looking good, right? All right, so we're going in, and I'm just gonna, I do appreciate this applicator. It's a very nice, it's a doe foot applicator. Maybe I lied to you. I don't know. It's the flat applicator. It's flat on both sides. No need to get, you know, fancy with the vocabulary. Alright, so I'm gonna just do one side. Oh wow. This is like very creamy. I'm breathing out heavy. A little goes a long way is what they say. I've been watching some tutorials. They already had some out before. They already had some tutorials out, well, reviews out before it actually came out. And I was just like, dang. Why I ain't sending me nothing, Fenty? Oh, that's super creamy. Like, this super duper creamy. This dumb creamy. I am contouring with the Truffle Matchstick by Fenty. It's pretty much the Fenty face. Like, don't really have a forehead, so I'm basically contouring my edges. Alright, so as this is drying down, I'm going to try to show you guys a closer look at the two. So this one is the foundation, and then this one is the concealer. So the concealer is definitely lighter. Like, I would say a half a shade to a shade lighter. But they made it work. I don't know how. Alright, so I always blend in my highlight first. So we're just going to start with a chin. Oh my God. That blended like a dream. Do y'all see this? This is beautiful. Wow. 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 No cap. No, seriously, like, I'm not capping. Recently discovered what that word meant. I would say this stuff actually dries kind of fast. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So I'm just gonna blend the rest of my face out, but like I am taken away. Alright, so I am taking this black opal suede mocha. It is a foundation stick, but I use it to bronze up my face. Cj Knowles. Alright, I am going to be using this Milk Makeup translucent. It is in the shade Deep, and I'm just going to put it all over my face. Take the same sponge I've been using all day, all night. I wish I had the Fenty powder. This concealer though, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, just put blush on, wipe it off, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Wow. I was trying to look and see if it caked up or something, but it actually didn't. So it looks really nice. Like, I know when I get married, this is definitely gonna be the concealer I use. That ain't no problem. We just gotta find the husband. Just gotta get that together. think he definitely got lost in the sauce. Now I'm gonna just wipe it off with this brush. I am very pleased with this product, like very pleased. So I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. Can't believe I'm looking at me, you know what I'm saying? Can't believe it ain't butter. To line my lips, I use K by ColourPop. Lips kind of crusty, ain't they? I'm gonna be using Fussy by Fenty Beauty. It's one of their lip luminizers. So now I must say this lip gloss or balm, because I have the other one too. I have this one. These are the only lip glosses that don't like have my lips dry afterwards. Like after it dries out, my lips are still moisturized. So my impressions, first impressions on this concealer, let me look at it again. It's bomb. It's bomb.com. Like, I have no complaints. The color, I was concerned that it was gonna be too similar of a color to my skin tone just because it is wintertime and I am a little lighter. No boo. No boo, no boo, no boo. It is perfect. Like, I don't know who was in the lab. I mean, I had to be in the lab to test this out because it's amazing. So I'm gonna do a flash test. Oh my god. Oh girl, hold on. Let me do a selfie test. It's blind though. Dang! I didn't know I looked this good. I'm gonna go out. Alright, so we're gonna do a flash test. Okay. So I have my lights on and flash, so really bad at selfies, so I'm gonna take a couple of them and then show y'all. So not only do I have my lights on, I have this flat. Ooh, I broke my jaw. Jeez, did y'all hear that? Oh my god. I'm gonna go over here and take it without this ring light. So yeah, I'll be right back. Dang, this ain't real. This is not real. Sorry, my nails. Who is she in my mirror? Honestly, I give this a 5 out of 5 stars, maybe 10 out of 5 stars because it's amazing. I don't even know. I don't even have any complaints. I mean, the only thing I wish is that the Sephora that I went to had testers. Other than that, the product. Let's talk about how much you get in here. It has 8 milliliters, which is 0.27 fluid ounces. So that's a normal size or a normal amount of product for concealers. Like, they did that. They did that. Alright, I'm gonna just stop talking because I don't even know what else to say. 5 out of 5, 5 stars. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and comment down below what you like. Are you getting this product? What shade are you in this product? What would you like to see next from me? Because I do a lot of things on this channel. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can be notified, okay? Alright. But without further ado, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed and conquer the day.